Bolwell Mk IX Ikara emerged in 1978 as an innovative Australian sports car project, conceived by the Bolwell engineering team to challenge the conventional automotive industry standards. The car represented a departure from mainstream committee cars, emphasizing driving enjoyment and performance. At the heart of the Ikara's design was a sophisticated space-frame tubular steel chassis, incorporating racing car principles and featuring an integrated roll bar for enhanced safety. The powertrain consisted of a Volkswagen Golf 1.6-liter transaxle unit, uniquely positioned in a mid-engine configuration behind the driver. This arrangement provided independent rear suspension with disc brakes, while the front suspension utilized Holden Gemini components, featuring unequal-length wishbones and rack and pinion steering. The car's distinctive features included specially designed 13-inch Simmons alloy wheels with larger rear tires 225/60 compared to the front 185/60. Campbell Bolwell's function before fashion philosophy guided the bodywork design, resulting in a clubman-style appearance crafted from high-strength fiberglass panels. The construction showcased Bolwell's expertise in composite materials, employing various fiberglass techniques, including chopper gun spraying, hand lamination, and injection molding. Bolwell marketed the Ikara as a kit car to maintain affordability and bypass the stringent Australian design rules regulations that had previously impacted their Nagari model. The company offered 4 different kit packages, ranging from $4,890 for the basic Stage 1 kit to $9,490 for the comprehensive Stage 4 kit. A detailed 128-page construction manual guided buyers through the assembly process, requiring approximately 150 hours of labor. The development proceeded rapidly, taking just 12 months from design to road-ready status. The official launch occurred at Melbourne's Calder Park Raceway in November 1979, generating significant media attention worldwide. By the end of 1980, Bolwell had produced 12 Ikaras before winding down the project. The final chapter of the Ikara story unfolded in February 1985 when a Greek consortium purchased the rights and tooling. Despite plans for continued production in Greece as both completed cars and kits, with Bolwell maintaining a consultancy role, no further developments materialized after the tooling was shipped overseas. The Bolwell Mk IX Ikara stands as a testament to Australian automotive innovation, combining advanced engineering principles with practical manufacturing solutions. Though short-lived, it demonstrated the potential for small-scale sports car production and showcased Bolwell's expertise in composite materials and automotive design.